Hi gays, welcome back to my channel. Let's be real for a second. You're lying in bed, scrolling, maybe even with someone you actually like, and nothing. No spark, no desire, no, I want this right now energy. And that thought creeps in, is something wrong with me? If you've ever felt like you just can't get horny anymore, or not the way you used to, you are asterisk, not asterisk broken. But here's the truth. Your body isn't the problem. Your asterisk life asterisk might be. And today we're going to unpack exactly why your desire has gone quiet and how to bring it back in a way that actually feels real, safe, and powerful. First, let's talk about what's actually happening. Low sexual desire isn't just about sex. It's about your brain, your emotions, your environment, your habits, all working together or completely against you. Most people think being horny should just happen naturally, like a switch you flip. But desire doesn't work like a switch. It works like an asterisk system, asterisk. And when that system is overloaded, stressed, disconnected, or numb, your desire is the first thing to disappear. Here's the part most people don't talk about. Stress kills desire, and I don't just mean big, obvious stress. I'm talking about constant notifications, pressure to succeed, comparing yourself online, emotional burnout, overthinking everything. Your brain is basically in survival mode 24/7. And when your brain feels unsafe or overwhelmed, it shuts down anything that isn't essential, including sexual desire. Because from your brain's perspective, pleasure is a luxury. Safety comes first. Now let's go deeper. Another huge reason you can't get turned on, you're disconnected from your own body. Think about it. How much time do you actually spend asterisk, feeling asterisk your body, instead of just existing in your head? Most of us are constantly distracted. Phones, content, noise. We've trained ourselves to escape sensation instead of tuning into it. So when it's time to feel desire, there's nothing there because you've been ignoring your body all day. And then there's this, your expectations around sex might be completely unrealistic. Let's be honest, a lot of what people think being horny should feel like comes from porn, social media, or exaggerated stories. Instant arousal, perfect timing, non-stop passion. That's not real life. In real life, desire is often asterisk, responsive asterisk, not spontaneous, which means you don't feel turned on asterisk before asterisk something starts. You feel turned on asterisk after asterisk you begin relaxing, connecting, touching, or emotionally opening up. Most people miss that and they assume something is wrong when actually they just don't understand how their desire works. Let's make this real. Imagine this. You've had a long day. You're mentally drained. You're scrolling through your phone, comparing your life to everyone else's highlight reel. Then your partner tries to initiate something and you feel nothing. Not because you don't like them, not because you're broken, but because your mind is still somewhere else. You're not present. And desire asterisk needs presence asterisk. Or maybe you're single and the only sexual input you're getting is through a screen. Endless content, quick dopamine hits, zero emotional connection. Over time, your brain gets used to that fast artificial stimulation. Real life attraction starts to feel slow, flat, underwhelming. That's not your fault, but it is something you need to be aware of. Now let's talk solutions, because this isn't about blaming yourself. It's about understanding yourself. And once you understand it, you can change it. First, slow down your nervous system. If your body is constantly tense, distracted, or overwhelmed, desire doesn't stand a chance. You need moments in your day where you're not consuming, not performing, not thinking ahead, just being. That could be walking without your phone, taking a shower and actually feeling the water, breathing deeply for a few minutes. It sounds simple, but it's powerful. Because desire grows in calm, not chaos. Second, reconnect with your body, not in a sexual way at first, just in an asterisk, human asterisk way. Stretch, move, notice sensations. Pay attention to how your body feels when you're relaxed versus stressed, because the more you feel your body, the easier it becomes to feel pleasure. Third, check your boundaries. This one is huge. If you're saying yes to things you don't actually want, if you feel pressured, rushed, or emotionally unsafe, your body will shut down desire as a form of protection. And that's actually healthy. Desire needs safety. So ask yourself honestly, do I feel safe being fully myself? Do I feel respected? Do I feel like I can say no without consequences? If the answer is no, that's where the work starts. Fourth, communicate. And I mean real communication. Not just, I'm not in the mood, but I've been feeling disconnected lately. I think I need more emotional connection before physical. I want to understand my body better. These conversations can feel uncomfortable, but they create trust, and trust is one of the strongest aphrodisiacs that exists. Fifth, be mindful of your digital habits. let's be honest, too much artificial stimulation can desensitize your brain. If everything is instant, intense, and always available, real connection starts to feel less exciting. Try creating space. Limit what you consume. Give your brain time to reset, because desire thrives on anticipation, not overload. And finally, stop judging yourself. Seriously, that voice in your head saying, I should feel more, or something is wrong with me, that voice is part of the problem. Shame shuts down desire faster than anything else. Instead, try curiosity. What does my body need right now? What helps me feel safe, relaxed, and connected? That shift alone can change everything. Here's the truth most people don't say out loud. Desire isn't something you chase. It's something you create space for through safety, through connection, through presence, through self-respect. So if you're not feeling horny right now, it doesn't mean you've lost something. It might just mean your body is asking for something deeper, something more real. And that's not a weakness, that's intelligence. If this resonated with you, take a moment, pause, reflect, and start paying attention to what your body has been trying to tell you all along. Because when you listen, that spark, it doesn't disappear. It comes back stronger. And this time, it's actually yours.